Hi, are you suffering with a chronic health issue such as low energy or fatigue, diabetes, prediabetes, insulin resistance, gut problems involving constipation or diarrhea, problems falling asleep or staying asleep, or brain problems involving brain fog or forgetfulness, or memory problems or learning difficulties? If that sounds like you, I'm very, very sorry that you're dealing with this problem. These problems typically present with two options that are available to you as a consumer. The first option is called allopathic healthcare. Allopathic healthcare is what most medical doctors are going to do. Allopathic healthcare is about chasing down symptoms, usually with a drug. And the problem with that is that once you stop taking the drugs, the problem returns. It keeps coming back. And if you want to find out if that's true or not, stop taking your thyroid drugs for about a week or two and see what happens. The other type of healthcare is called functional medicine. Functional medicine is what I do. Functional medicine is about asking the question, why? Why do you have this problem? What is the root cause of what could be driving high blood pressure or low thyroid disease or problems with blood sugar issues, chronic inflammation, or food sensitivities, food allergies? We had a patient that we treated in the office. Her name was Amy. She was about 38 years old, and she had been dealing with multiple chronic issues for a long time. Amy had problems falling asleep or staying asleep throughout the night, and as a result, she had a very, very bad day the next day. This poured into her personal life, her work life. She was actually let go from multiple positions because she was not able to be very productive. She had problems with low thyroid disease involving her hair falling out in clumps or the loss of the outer one-third of the eyebrows. She had problems with gut problems such as constipation, diarrhea, poor absorption of nutrients. She was just a mess. And so prior to coming to see me, she'd been to her primary care physician. She'd been to multiple medical specialists, including gastroenterologists. She'd been to a endocrinologist for checking for prediabetes or insulin resistance. She had been to rheumatologists because she thought that perhaps the problem was related to a autoimmune disease, and like everybody. And they all gave her drugs, and they all did the same basic thing by trying to medicate her back to health, and that it didn't work. She eventually got so frustrated that she reached out to me for a consultation. So I did a consultation, I did an examination, and I did some foundational lab testing, followed by a test that checks for food allergies in the body. And what is involved with that is that you submit a blood sample and it checks for 95 different known food allergens. It turns out that she had been trying really hard to try to clean up her diet. And she was actually, the test showed that she had multiple issues involving some of the foods that she had been consuming that she thought she was doing a good job, such as eating chicken breast fillets or eggs, dairy, simple grains. She had problems with all that. So I took her off of that and I changed her diet, and immediately the problems went away. The energy came back in bounds. She was able to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the whole night. She did better at work the next day. She actually got a promotion because she was so incredibly productive. She wanted to do a good job, but she couldn't. Her body wasn't cooperating with her. And The constipation went away, the diarrhea went away, the brain fog went away. All of her problems were just a thing of the past. If that sounds like something that you're dealing with, I would invite you to visit my website at metabolicsolutions.net. And from there, you can take a free quiz. It's a free 2-minute quiz and about your medical problems, and find out where are you on the grand scheme of things. Is it severe? Is it moderate? Or is it mild? And what is your best choice to resolve this? So please go to metabolicsolutions.net and take the free health quiz. It's completely free, and it will have information sent right to you via email. Thank you very much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.